Hi everyone, I'm Wendy, and I am standing here outside on a Friday afternoon. It is a gorgeous weekend, and one of the things that I know as a teacher, the last thing you want to do is spend gorgeous weather days like this inside trying to plan for all of your different classes and how to differentiate all the different material and processes that you're doing with your students. So, with remote learning, hybrid learning, person to person, a mix and a constantly changing scenario. Here are 6 tips and tricks to engage your learners. It says for ELs, for English language learners, but we know that every student is probably struggling, at least in part, with some aspect of learning in these times, right? I want to say unprecedented, but in these unusual times. So, how can we make it more accessible, make your content more accessible to students without a whole lot of prep on our part? So, one of the ways is using different timelines and breaking up that information for the students with the students, both a mix of the two. The second idea is tailored questions. Vary the complexity levels, right? Involve everyone. Number 3, sentence frames or question starters or sentence starters. How can you support your learners to use academic language? Number 4, chunk your reading. Do they really need to read all of that text or can they use excerpts? Figure out ways that are more accessible. And number 5, adding visuals. We know we love visuals, right? All of these different things are fantastic to engage your learners. And number 6, integrate your language learners or any of your other learners into groups somehow, right? And just because they all speak one language doesn't mean they're going to help each other. That's not like the magic button. So, these are 6 ideas. These are from my team of ESL teachers at the high school. I hope that one of these resonates with you, and I would love to know if you have other ideas that are quick tips, low prep. Shoot me a message down below. And also, if you're interested in how visual thinking and visual communication, like these visual notes, can help your organization or your classroom think better and achieve more, let me know. All right. Have an amazing weekend.